Today's lecture notes focus on MLA style. MLA stands for Modern Language Association, and we use their style guide in order to format our papers and in order to cite and document sources. So we need to do both of those things, but how do we do those things? This set of notes goes over formatting guidelines, and it also goes over citation and documentation. Paired with that, necessarily, is academic honesty and plagiarism, so you'll see a little bit of information on that as well. Okay, now a few of you are coming into this class with advanced knowledge in MLA. Perhaps you've used it regularly throughout your high school and college career. Some of you are coming into this maybe not knowing as much, and others perhaps have used APA or CMS, the two other prominent style guides, more frequently. So as you go through these notes, if you have any questions, make sure you get in touch. If you need more resources than are available here, get in touch. And also make sure that you check out Everything's an Argument. It has a full chapter dedicated to using sources correctly and applying MLA style, format, and citation documentation guidelines.